For 2 years, three simple numbers have had a big impact on countless people struggling with mental health.
988 is the National Suicide Prevention Lifeline. Caroline Cummings shares how the system in Minnesota has improved.
If you dial 988 in Minnesota, someone in a call center like this one in St. Paul is there to answer the phone or reply to your text.
So I think it's been a huge success because we want to be able to meet someone's needs at kind of that lowest level of intervention possible. And we don't want it to feel scary for people to reach out for help.
Shannon Mulvihill, Executive Director of Mental Health Minnesota, says 988 has improved significantly in the state since its initial launch in July 2022. Organizations are building out capacity, so there's a higher in-state response rate, meaning someone in crisis in Minnesota is getting connected to a fellow Minnesotan.
If we're able to respond to these concerns in state, we're living a similar experience.
In 2023, there were over 63,000 calls, texts, and chats in Minnesota to 988. During that time, the in-state answer rate for those calls was 88%, but much lower for texts at 64%. This year already, far more texts and chats are being answered by crisis counselors in Minnesota. Minnesota lawmakers approved a 12-cent telecom fee tacked onto your phone bills starting this September to support 988. And the Minnesota Department of Health estimates it will bring in $9 million annually. A similar fee supports 911 services. Minnesota is only one of 10 states to authorize it for 988. Mulvihill says funding will ensure help is always on the other line.
We've just made a lot of great progress really quickly, and I think that really showed that what was missing was the resources we needed to build capacity.
Caroline Cummings, WCCO News.
988 is available for anyone who needs it 24/7.